For my chat app that I created for Mzansi Logistics and Technology, it has 3 Java files: the registration file, which runs the program, the login file, which handles all validation logic, and the login test, which tests everything and makes sure everything is working. For the registration file, when the program starts, it shows a welcome message and gives the user 2 options, either to register or to log in. Based on what the user types, it either calls the register method or the login method. The register method collects the user's details one by one: first name, last name, username, password, and cell number. After each input, it validates it before moving to the next one. If anything is wrong, it prints an error message and stops. If everything is correct, it saves the details and confirms the account was created. The login method asks for username and password and checks if they match what was saved during registration. If they match it, it says welcome. If they match it, welcomes the user by name. If not, it tells them the details are incorrect. For the login Java file, it's responsible for all the validation. It has 5 methods: the check username, the check password complexity, check cell phone number, the register user, and login user, and the return login status. For the check username, checks that the username has an underscore and is 5 characters or less. Checks the password, the check password complexity checks that the password is at least 8 characters and has a capital letter, number, and special character. For the check cell phone number, uses a regex pattern to check the number starts with +27 and is the correct length. Register user returns the appropriate message and depending on whether validation passed or failed. Login user and the return login status checks if the login details match and returns the correct welcome or error message. For the login test file, this file tests that all the methods work correctly using the JUnits. I used assert equals to check that the correct messages are returned, and the assert true and assert false to check that the Boolean methods return the right true or false values. All the test data, like the KYL_1 and the password and the cell phone number, came directly from the assignment brief. So next is to check the application is running and